Hello, good evening, sir. Please, what's your name?
Good evening. My name is Daniel.
Okay, please, have you heard about AI?
Sure.
Can you tell me a little about AI? Like the way
So basically, the meaning of AI is artificial intelligence. Yeah. So I know it's a software. Yeah, where people go and then you can ask questions and then answers will be given to you. Yeah.
Um, so can you give me maybe the benefits of AI in relation to healthcare? How AI can be used in the healthcare?
Okay. I believe like every information is there. Yeah. So when you search for any information to be given to you, like relating to healthcare, maybe someone is sick, but even if you don't have idea, and then you are able to search for what's wrong with the person, I think they'll give you information about that for you to know what to do.
So
Sure.
like maybe you are sick of malaria or something.
Yeah. So
You
you
can
want to know maybe the kind of medicine you have to take. You can just type in there; they'll give you the answer. Yeah, sure.
okay. So would you prefer AI in the healthcare, as in maybe diagnosis, treatment, than a doctor or a nurse, any healthcare assistant, physician treating you? Which one would you prefer, AI or the health professional?
Actually, I think it was made by a man, right? So I'm sure whatever information is there is good, right? So I wouldn't say I prefer that to a doctor or something, but they are all good. You can use that one and then you can attend to a doctor too. Sure.
Okay, so you prefer
Both.
both.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, thank you for your time.
Welcome.
Good evening, please. My name is Betty, and we are doing a project on AI and its importance in healthcare. So I'd like to ask you a few questions. Please, what's your name?
All right, thank you. I'm Ernest. I'm from a graduate student in communication. Yeah, AI, as we all know, the name is artificial intelligence, and we're living in a world that everything is changing. These are computerized systems that have been programmed just like to carry human functions. So, what you will need human to do for you, these are programs that are necessitated to do such and jobs, and they do it so well that sometimes there are no errors, and it alleviates that kind of effort and everything that you need to put in to achieve the desired results. So AI basically, they are, I would say, operations that are programmed to do things in a more efficient and faster way to take off the burden of, I would say, the effort that man needs to put in.
Thank you very much. And then my next question would be, how does all this relate to healthcare? How is this used in healthcare?
Okay, recently I was watching a video, and we use AI in our health centers too. What it does is that now they are programmed in a way that they can also carry on diagnosis, and also some even do surgeries. So what you need to meet a doctor to do consultation and everything, you can take samples of blood, anything that you need to do, I would say tests. This AI is programmed to carry on those diagnoses and offer results within a relatively shorter period, and also recommend pragmatic steps or whatever you need to do to remedy such problems. Yes. So in health centers, AI, they help a lot.
Please, we're about to ask you a few questions about AI. So what do you know about AI?
For me, what I know is about an artificial intelligence that students use for research purpose. Yeah.
So do you know any benefits of AI in the healthcare sector?
Oh, sure. Like it helps minimize errors, like in terms of diagnosis and those things. Yeah.
Okay, so like malaria
Yeah.
treatment.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So would you prefer going to a hospital? Would you prefer seeing an AI, maybe a robot, program robot or something? Would you prefer that to a doctor treating you, diagnosing you, or something like treating you diseases? diagnosis, treatment, all of those things, which one would you prefer, a doctor or healthcare professional than to an AI?
I'll prefer the healthcare professional.
Why?
Oh, because it's human. For the artificial AI, there maybe it can be working and maybe the battery or what something can happen. So I prefer the doctor rather.
Okay, thank you for your time.
Oh,
Okay, please, good evening. My name is Betty. Please, your name.
I'm Benjamin.
Okay, so we are doing a project on AI and its importance in healthcare. And I would like to ask you a few questions. Okay. So first of all, please, what do you know about AI? Like, how does it affect our lives in any way, in any aspect?
Okay, what I know about AI, artificial intelligence, and yeah, it helps us a lot, especially during our exams and our
Especially
projects work.
during our
Yes.
exams. Okay. Okay, so what do you know about how it relates to healthcare specifically?
You see, at times like you'll be having these symptoms and all, so you just move to this AI and ask like, you feeling these symptoms, like what's wrong with you? They get to give you solutions and also like you have a fair idea of what is happening to you.
Okay, so some sorts of diagnosis and okay. So how would you feel about AI like managing major aspects of healthcare, like maybe diagnosis, managing your data? Do you have any privacy concerns or anything like that?
In terms of AI handling the databases and all, it's cool, but they replacing the doctors and all to be kind of weird. But
So you are not much of a fan of it. Okay. Thank you very much for your time.
Hello, I'm Pearl. What about you?
Hello, I'm Araba.
Okay, Araba. We are doing this ACA writing project, and then it's about AI and its importance in the health sector. Are you okay with me asking you questions about that?
Sure, sure.
Okay, Araba, what do you know about AI, like generally?
Oh, I know AI is an artificial intelligence thing. That helps, like this internet thing helps in like making things easier. It's been in different sectors, helping people like all over the world. So,
Okay, so do you know if it's being used in the health sector?
oh, although I'm not really an health sector person, but the little that I know is it's being integrated in most facilities. Yes, because of how useful it is and all that. So,
Okay. So AI has been integrated into our health sector so that it can even diagnose you of any sickness. So will you be comfortable with the AI doing that, or you prefer a human being to do that?
oh, it will be comfortable based on some conditions that maybe labor won't suffer, like labor employment, and maybe it doing all the work won't make so much mistake. Although it's going to improve efficiency and all that, but the other side, the other negative side, if it's overweight or its impacts, the negative impact is enormous. I don't think like I'll go in for that, but definitely I'll go in for that because it makes things easier and all that.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for your time.
I'm Derek Owusu, and as you can see, I'm in Durampo. And we want to find out from the local people their knowledge on AI and its importance in the health sector. So come along, let's go. So we are in Durampo Polyclinic, and I'm here with.
Jane, JC.
Okay, so Madam JC, please we want to ask you or your take on AI in the health sector.
I think AI in the health sector has helped a lot. It has make work more easier and faster. Rather than at first we will be using the folders to write everything, but now with internet we are easy to go. And then when it comes to like meetings, you can do it on Zoom. It saves time and energy rather than coming to the facility to sit down for the meeting. You can even be in your house and you'll be listening to whatever is going on. So it has helped a lot.
Okay, thank you. So please, since Duampon is not developed like the urban centers, how are the community members coping with this AI?
Initially, they were not cooperating with us because the prescribers were now being learning how to use the names. So when they can, they wait for a while before they are attended to. But now we are very good at using it. So when they can, it's easier and faster. They just go. Just that because the facility is not accredited fully by the NHIS, they don't usually come here. They prefer to go to a place where the NHIS will be accredited for them fully. Because here, when you can, even though NHIS is working for your labs, you pay. So they prefer other places than here, but they have been coming.
Okay, so thank you for your time. We are still in Duampon, and then I'm here with my auntie, and I want to find out from her what she thinks about AI and its importance in the health sector. Ma, nti pacho mpɛ me bisa wo nsɛm bi ɛfa AI. Yɛka AI as a computer a ɛboa yɛapɔmuden mu. Yeah. Like ɛno a na ɛbɛyɛ biribiara ma wo. Not necessarily overcatch on its own easy on easy. Temperature from like so far a day now unim about Sanya Mano.